Welcome back to our playlist on product strategy and development with help from the book, How to Build Habit-Forming Products by Nir Eyal. In our previous segments, we explored the trigger phase and the action phase, uncovering the secrets behind driving user behavior. Today, we delve into the third step of the hooked model, the variable reward phase. The variable reward phase is where the magic happens. It's the phase that keeps users coming back for more. It taps into our innate desire for unpredictability, create an addictive loop that fuels habit formation. So let's dive in and understand how to incorporate variable rewards into your product or service. The variable reward phase is all about providing users with an element of surprise, anticipation, and delight. It's about keeping them engaged and excited about what they might receive or experience each time they engage with your product. By introducing variability into the rewards they receive, you activate the brain's pleasure centers, making the experience more addictive and habit-forming. There are several strategies you can employ to create variable rewards. Let's explore some of them. Strategy 1. Randomized rewards. One effective approach is to offer rewards at unpredictable intervals. Instead of providing a reward every time a user completes an action, introduce randomness. For example, a fitness app might surprise users with bonus achievements or virtual badges after they've achieved a certain number of workouts. This unpredictability creates a sense of excitement, leaving users eager to engage more frequently in hopes of receiving those unexpected rewards. Strategy 2. Progression and advancement. Another powerful way to incorporate variability is by implementing a system of progression and advancement. By dividing the user journey into levels, stages, or tiers, you give users something to strive for. Each milestone reached comes with its own rewards, whether it's unlocking new features, gaining special privileges, or accessing exclusive content. This sense of progression keeps users motivated, curious, and invested in your product. Strategy 3. Personalization and tailored rewards. Personalization is key to creating a truly engaging experience. By tailoring rewards to individual user preferences, you make them feel special and valued. This can be achieved through recommendation systems that suggest content, products, or services based on their previous interactions. For example, a shopping app might offer personalized discounts or exclusive offers based on the user's browsing and purchase history. The feeling of receiving rewards that are uniquely relevant to them enhances the user's connection with your product and fuels their desire to come back for more. It's important to note that while variable rewards are highly effective in driving user engagement, they need to be balanced. If the rewards become too predictable or too infrequent, users may lose interest or become frustrated. Striking the right balance is essential to maintain a healthy and sustainable habit-forming experience. As you design your product or service, consider the psychology behind variable rewards, surprise, and progress. By carefully implementing the variable reward phase, you can create a loop of anticipation and satisfaction that keeps users hooked. In our final segment, we will explore the fourth and last step of the hooked model, the investment phase. We'll discuss how to get users to invest time, effort, and data into your product or service, further solidifying their attachment and making it harder for them to leave. Thank you for joining us in this episode on the variable reward phase. Stay tuned for the final installment of Hooked, How to Build Habit-Forming Products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We appreciate your support. See you next time.